Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 2500W Ultralight Portable Inverter Generator is a remarkable blend of power, portability, and quiet operation. Weighing in at just 39 pounds, this generator is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to transport for camping trips, tailgating events, or emergency home backup. Its compact design allows it to fit snugly in your vehicle without taking up excessive space, which is a significant advantage for those who need to move it frequently. One of the standout features of this model is its quiet technology. Operating at only 53 dBA from 23 feet, it's quieter than a normal conversation, making it perfect for use in residential areas or during outdoor activities where noise is a concern. Many users appreciate how unobtrusive it is, allowing them to enjoy their surroundings without the distraction of a loud generator. In terms of performance, the Champion Inverter Generator delivers 2,500 starting watts and 1,850 running watts, providing ample power for small to medium-sized appliances. It's capable of running essentials like a refrigerator, lights, and even a television, making it a reliable choice for camping or during home outages. The inverter technology ensures clean, stable power that's safe for sensitive electronics, which is crucial for charging devices like smartphones or laptops. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with the generator able to run up to 11.5 hours on a single tank of gas at a 25% load. This longevity is particularly beneficial for extended outings or when a prolonged power outage occurs. Additionally, the built-in fuel gauge allows you to monitor fuel levels easily, minimizing the risk of running out unexpectedly. Champion also emphasizes safety, incorporating features like low oil shutdown and a built-in overload protection system. These features not only enhance the generator's lifespan but also provide peace of mind while operating. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 2500W Ultralight Portable Inverter Generator is an excellent investment for anyone in need of reliable power on the go. With its lightweight design, quiet operation, and robust features,